Hello, my name is Tamil. I'm founder of Tacticalism. We recently collaborated with Fuzen, and I must share that our experience with them is exceptionally positive. Our core idea was to develop a proprietary outbound automation platform. This software is vital because it allows us to be highly strategic. What impressed us immediately was their technical grasp. The Fusion team absorbed our complex requirements quickly and thoroughly, ensuring alignment from the very first discussion. The delivery was precise, the software met our expectations. Furthermore, their commitment to quality included robust and comprehensive testing. Everything functioned perfectly. During the development phase, they demonstrated significant flexibility. When scope adjustments were necessary, they adapted efficiently, which is crucial for any major project. Even post launch, their support structure is excellent and highly dependable. They are a truly trustworthy and highly capable partner. I strongly recommend Fusion to any organization seeking serious software development. Thank you.